Okay children, now we are going to a new topic, how to find the successor and predecessor of a number, and then how to compare the numbers. That you know how to compare using the less than, greater than, equal to sign. Successor, what do you mean by successor? Successor means number after. That is, if I give you a number, you have to write the number after that. Okay, that is meant by successor. And what do you mean by predecessor? Predecessor means a number that comes before, number before. So, we will do some questions on successor and predecessor and how to compare the numbers. Write the number after, that is successor, for the following numbers. Okay, so we are going to do some questions based on successor. Write the number after. First question, 24,832. To write the numbers after, that is to write the successor of a number, we always check the last digit, that is the digit that comes in the ones place. What is the digit that comes in the ones place? It is 2. So, what is the number after 2? Just after 2, what is the number? The number is 3. So, what will be the answer over here? 24,833. So, the successor of 24,832 is 24,833. Question B. 4,36,999. Here, what is the last digit? The last digit is 9. So, what is the number that comes after 9? Yes, the number that comes after 9 is 10. But can you write 10 over here? Will the answer become 4,36,910? Can you write it like this? If you write like this, what happens? In the ones period, you are getting 4 digits. Will it be possible? No, it is not possible. So, what can we do over here? We are adding 1 to the last digit, isn't it? So, when you are adding 1, usually what do you do when you add 1 to the last digit? If you add 1 to 9, you get 10. So, what do? You will put 0 and you will carry 1 to the next digit, isn't it? Similarly, you do here, you carry 1. Again, when you add that 1 and 9, you get 10. Then you carry 1 here. Again, when you add that 9 and 1, you get 10. Again, you will carry 1 here and you will get 1 plus 6, 7. And the rest of the digits will be same. So, what happens when you have the last digit as 9? You will be getting 0, because when you add 1, you are finding the successor. You need the next digit, next number. The next number is 10, which is not possible. You cannot write it like this. This is totally wrong. In the ones period, you cannot have 4 digits. So, usually what we do when we add, we will add 1 to 9, you get 10, you write 0, and that 10's 1 you will carry to the next digit. Again 1 plus 9, 10, you write 0, carry 1 to the next digit. Again 1 plus 9, 10, carry 0, write 0, carry 1 to the next digit. 1 plus 6, you get 7, then 3, then 4. So, 4,37,000 will be the answer. This is you did it by adding it. Okay? So, you did it by adding it. I can give you this in an easier method also. When you have a question with 9 at the last, when you have 9 at the last, what you can do is, you convert all the 9s to 0 and the number that comes before 9, that you can make it 1 more because we are doing the successor. So, if you have 9s at the last, not in between, if you have a digit 9 at the last, then you can make all that 9 0 and the number that comes before 9. Here you have 6, that you can make it 1 more. So, it becomes 7. So, 4,37,000. Clear? Next question. 8,99,999. Again, you can see there are 5 9s at the last. Together, there are 5 9s. If you have like this, so many 9s together at the end of a number, what you can do is, you will make all the 9s as 0. Okay, and the number that comes before 9, that is 8. That 8 will become as 9. It will become the next digit. After 8, it is 9, isn't it? So, 8 will become 9 and all the 9s will become 0. So, 8,99,999. The successor will be 9 lakh. Clear, children? So, keep this in mind when you are doing the successor. If you have 9s at the end of a number, if you have 9 at the end of the number, you can make all those 9s as zeros and the number that comes before 9, you have to make it 1 more. So, here it was 8, 8 will become as 9, all these 9 becomes 0. Okay? That is an easier way to do. Now, you will do these 2 questions. Just try these 2 questions, children. Yes, 2,70,450. Again, check the last digit. It is 0. After 0, what is the next number? After 0, the next number is 1. So, 2,70,451. Okay. Now, next 99,999. I have told you before, when you have all the 9s together at the end, in this case all the numbers are 9. So, what you can do? All the 9s will become 0. Yes? Is this the number after 99,999? After 99,999, what was the number? It was 1 lakh. How are we getting this 1? I told you all the 9s will become 0 and the number before 9. Here we don't have any number. So, we will consider it as 0. Since there is no number, you assume the number is 0. So, what is the number after 0? The number after 0 is 1. So, that is why I wrote that 1 over here. So, all the 9s will become 0 and the number before 9, here we don't have any number. So, we will consider it as 0 and the number that comes after 0 is 1. Successor of 0 is 1. So, 99,999. The successor will be 1 lakh. You have already learned it in the beginning. 99,999 is the largest 5-digit number. When you add 1, you get the next smallest 6-digit number and that was this number, that is 1 lakh. So, understood how to write the successor? So, keep this in mind. When you have all the 9s together at the end, not in between, don't take any 9s in between. If you have all the 9s at the end, all those 9s can become 0 and the number before 9 should be made as 1 more. Okay, children? Now, Write the number before, predecessor for the following. First question, 38,143. Predecessor means a number before. Again here also you will check the last digit. The last digit is 3. So what is the number that comes before 3? Yes, the number that comes before 3 is 2. So the answer is 38,142. The number that comes before 3 is 2. So the number becomes 38,142. 1,79,999. Now children, this is predecessor, not successor. If it was successor, you could have made all the 9 0 and the 7 would become as 8. Okay, but now here it is a predecessor. So check the last digit. Last digit is 9. What is the number before 9? Yes, the number before 9 is 8. So you get 1,79,998. If this question was for successor, what would you do? You would make all the 9s 0 and the number that comes before 9 should be made 1 more. So that 7 will become as 8. Now this is predecessor. So the answer is 1,79,998. Now, here you are having so many zeros together at the end. There are 5 zeros at the end. Same like in successor. As I told you before, in successor you made all the 9s 0 and the number before 9 you made it 1 more because it was successor. When it comes to predecessor, what you will do is, if you have zeros like this at the end, if you have in between, don't consider that. If you have zeros at the end, what you can do is all these zeros will become 9, just opposite of successor. All the zeros will become 9 and the number before 0, that should be made 1 less. So what is the number 1 less of 8? That is 7. You have to write the predecessor of 8. Clear children? All the zeros, if you have zeros at the end of a number, all those zeros will become 9 and the number before 0 will become 1 less. Now, answer these questions, children. Yes, as I told you, all the zeros at the end will become 9. So this becomes 9, 9, 9 and the number before 0 should be made 1 less. Number before 0 was 9. So 1 less of 9 is 8. This becomes 4 and here it becomes 3. So 3,48,999. Clear children? Again, there is 1 0 at the last. So that 0 becomes 9. The number before 0 should be made 1 less. 5, 1 less is 4. So we know before 50 the number is 49. Then you have 1 here, 0, 3. So 30,149. So clear children? So when you are writing the successor, all the 9s will become 0 and the number before 9 will become 1 more. When you are writing in predecessor, all the zeros will become 9, which is at the end of a number. All the zeros will become 9 and the number before 0 will become 1 less. Compare numbers using less than, greater than or equal to sign. You're studying this from the lower classes. I'll give you the questions, you will do it on your own. 29,461, 38,423. Okay, compare numbers using less than, greater than or equal to sign. I have given you 4 questions. Compare the numbers. Okay, try to do it. Okay, are you all clear with the class? Thank you.